Hello and welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. Today we are going to create an encasing PowerPoint presentation. First, let's format the background. I will set the background color to light gray. Now insert a rectangle and change its color to light gray. Remove its outline too. Now let's apply the shadow to the rectangle. Set the transparency to 65%, size to 101%, blur to 17 points, angle to 0 degree and distance to 3 points. Insert a circle and a rectangle. Drag the rectangle so it covers half of the circle. Now, select both shapes and subtract them to create a semicircle. Remove its outline. Then fill it with your desired color. Ensure it's aligned in the middle. Now, type the required text. Group the text box, semicircle and the rectangle together by pressing Ctrl plus G. Duplicate the group shape using Ctrl plus D. Drag the duplicated shape slightly to the left, change its color and edit its text. Repeat this process. Duplicate the group shape, change its color and edit its text. I have created 7 shapes here, but you can create as many as you need. Next, select all the group shapes by pressing Ctrl plus A, then move them slightly to the left side, just outside the slide. Now, duplicate the slide by Ctrl plus D. On the newly duplicated slide, move the first group shape to the right side. Duplicate the slide again and move the second group shape to the right. Continue this process for each subsequent group shape until the last shape is in its final position. Now you will need to add your specific text to each corresponding slide. After that, copy the first slide and paste it to the end of your presentation. Modify the text on this final slide as you need it. Finally, select all the slides using Ctrl plus A and add the morph transition. Decrease the duration to 1 second. Press F5 to view the result.